So your prescription is Vicodin. Vicodin 5/500 milligrams, it means that there's a combination drug in it, okay? 5 milligrams of what?
Oh, Vicodin.
This is old, it's 5/500, okay? Dispensed how many?
70.
Okay. When you're to compute for day supply, always pick up the max, okay? Which one is higher, 1 or 2? 2, okay. This is what I do once I see this. Q4 to 6-HPRN, because this is when it gets confusing to students. Okay. Every 4 hours, how many hours are in a day?
24.
24 hours in a day. So 24 hours divided by 4 would be 6. That's your 6 times. 24 hours divided by 6, every 6 hours would be your 4 times. So this is what I do, because this is when it gets confusing. Once I see this 4, I draw an arrow and then I put times 6. Once I see the 6, I draw an arrow, then I put times 4, and then I encircle the larger one so I don't get confused. It gets confusing on the Q4 to 6H. Q4 is every 4 hours, Q6 is every 6 hours. So this is your 6 times, this is your 4 times. Like what I said, we always do the max, use the max. So 2, what do we do here? 2
Times 6.
times 6. You know that you need how many per day?
12.
12. So go back to your original prescription number of tabs to be dispensed. 70 divided by 12, you get,
5.
what's the exact number?
5.8.
5.8. But remember the rule for day supply is round down. So we do 5 days. Is that clear?